Hello everyone, it is wonderful to have you join me today. It is Angela and welcome back to my channel. If it is your very first time here today, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome and thank you for stopping by. And of course to everybody who has been so encouraging and supportive this whole year already. Thank you guys ever so much. I couldn't do this without you. Now I've been working very hard at getting this kit ready for the 1st of November, which is today. And I'm extremely excited to share it with you. So I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to page through what I've done and let you have a look. All right, so I've taken my daughter's decorations out of her room, just to make it a little bit more festive. And of course I see that she has these nice chocolates, which I'm not sure if they're going to make the end of the day, but we'll see. I'm going to move that out of the way a little bit. It's a very dark and gloomy day here, so let's hope the light holds out with what I've set up here. All right, so this is the format in which I would sell printed kits. So if you don't have a printer, or you struggle to do borderless, or you just don't like printing, I do sell printed kits, and I'll talk about that a little later. But I do have digital kits, and I'm going to show you what I've got at the moment. Right, here it is. This is the complete collection here. It is I'm calling this kit Christmas Memories, because it's all about family and Christmas and special memories created this time of the year. The season is special for many people. All right, so this is just a little tag I include with my printed kits. I've got 3 digital kits here. I've got my journal pages, which makes up 25 pages in total. I've got add-on kit, and that's 12 pages, and I've got an ephemera kit, which is 10 pages. So that's 47 pages all in all. Yeah, so let's get through that. I've got 10 design pages, which you can see are up on the front here, with a sweet little critter on the front, and I absolutely love them. So yeah, I've made this quite animal friendly, so never mind people. There are no people, or there is a person in here, a couple I should say. I'll stop talking. Right, so here's the first page, and isn't that just the sweetest little face? So we've got that there. And then this must be my favorite page. I've brought in traditional colors, so we've got the reds, the greens, we've got a little bit of this aqua sky blue, duck egg blue I would say here as well, and of course lots of different tones within those colors. So this is this, and I love this. And I will apologize for everybody who doesn't have a snowy Christmas in the southern hemisphere. I know you are going into summer, and Christmas is a summer affair for you, but I really wanted to do a snowy theme, as I didn't do that last year. Right, so it's all centered around family. We've got a lovely little dog. If I could have stuck Abby there, I would have. Lots of birds, a lovely family settings really, with florals, and we've got lovely deers and squirrels and bunnies, and this is part of the green. So you've got the lighter greens, you've got the darker greens, we've got a little bit of purple here and there as well. So yeah, I do love how it came together. Again, little dog there, we've got some lovely florals, just all the things that remind us of Christmas and that special time of the year. So yeah, I've got 5 of those design pages and another 5 here which have the dual page sort of frames. So I love the Christmas tree, and I've tried to mix in the combination between the old and the new. So we've got a bit of eclectic theme going on here as well. All right, so yeah, I like how it's all come together. So I hope that you're going to enjoy it too. I love the snow globe. All right, so again, little deer, and there's that little hedgehog again, and I just love her. She's so sweet. Her name is Henriette. I just made that up. So there we go. I've tried to include the cardinals and the robins, so that it appeals to everybody as much as I possibly can. All right, so those are your 10 designer pages there. Then I have made background pages as well. We've got 10 background pages. These can go into your journals, decorate the pages, but also I've made them of a size to be easily fussy cut so that when we're decorating and making our ephemera, we can use some of these elements as well. So I love this. Here's another one of those. I love this one too. So also great to use for little elements, and I will be fussy cutting those out for sure. A lovely neutral but traditional type page, and I love this one. It's really pretty. And then what I've done is I've gone with the lighter shades as well. So we've got the lighter green, so more of a lime green that makes an appearance. We've got the lighter duck egg blue, and then the lighter red. So I've made 3 background pages for those. So there we go. And then you know, a kit wouldn't be a kit if I didn't have some gingham. And gingham just represents homeliness, home comforts, cozy, and all of that good stuff. So I have done that in the darker sort of, well, more intense. All right, so we've got those as well. So you've got all of those, and then this is a beautiful background page I made, and it touches on the Christmas Carol. It's got all sorts of things going on here, so a great page to write on, and you could make as many of these as you wished. All right, so that's all of our background pages. So that's 20, and then what I've done is I've got the 5 mini pages, and the mini pages are the large pages, 10 of them, which I put 2 to a page, and they're half the size. I use these a lot with crafting, but they're also great to use for cards. So, you know, that size is perfect for a card. And you'll see over here, you know, you could just cut out half that and make that a card, and the same with that. So you've got all these mini pages as well. There are 5 of them here, exactly the same as what we had for the big designer pages. All right, so that's your journal page kit. As I said, 25 pages, lots of exciting stuff to use there, and it's going to look great in a Christmas journal. That is a kit on its own as a digital, but it is made up and printed out, 2 sets except for the middle pages, the mini pages, sorry, in a printed format. All right, then I have an add-on kit, as I told you. It's 12 pages. It's all the large tags, the smaller tags, the pockets, the envelopes, the journal cards, and all those beautiful things that we like to adorn our journal with. So I've got the large tags here. Love that. And then I do love large tags. And then I've got another one here. This would be great to add a little sentiment and some die cuts and make it your own. All right, then I love making smaller tags because we have lots of pockets and things. So we've got some smaller tags as well. And then, you know, we've got our journal cards. Love the journal cards. And then, of course, 2 large envelope pages. So we've got these 2 large envelopes, and I love how this looks snowy and sort of complements that over there. So, yeah. And then we have the mini envelopes, and you got to love those. I really love these. Always handy, especially for belly bands and things. Then we've got a page of triangular pockets and rectangular pockets, and you could really decorate these and make them your own, and I'll show you what I do with that. I love using these circles to decorate here with die cuts. So, you know, I've added an extra row of those instead of 2 rows of these. So I thought those are really handy, and I have some great ideas to use these as well. So look out for that in the coming weeks when I do the tutorials. All right, this is then just a page of tags. You can cut these out or use your punch. So I love using these in my ephemera pieces. And then I've added these 2 pages, which I couldn't fit into the journal kit because the size constraints with uploading things. I've added these, and I thought I'd just put them in with the add-on kit. So it's 2 extra pages as well. All right, so that's your add-on kit. And that is 12 pages, again, available as a digital or part of the printed kit. Then lastly, I have done an ephemera kit, and this part took me the longest of everything. I was humming and hawing and chopping and changing, and oh, there's too many ideas in my head. Anyway, I've eventually chosen the nicest ones, and here we go. So I've got altered postcards that I own myself and have added, put in here. So I've altered those, all sorts of bits and pieces here. Got some Catherine Klein postcards that I have. We've got a marrying of the vintage and, you know, the vintage and the more modern. So we've got that as well. Then I made loads of pieces of all different sizes of ephemera here. So everything that you could possibly want in different sizes, shapes and angles to go in there. So that's one page. Got these beautiful little watercolor photograph type things with lovely little font that I've managed to work out. All sorts of things I've been learning as I go. So yeah, I love this. Oh, love that one. All right, so there again we've got some lovely bits and pieces here, and I love that. Baby, it's cold outside, dog's inside. My dog's never outside. She's a fair weather dog. Happy holidays. So yeah, and of course guys, as I was saying to you earlier, if you are a card maker, there you have your complete bit just to stick on a front of a card. Any one of these with the sentiments already that we have on here would work perfectly. All right, even that one. Oh, Abby's already here now. She's heard her name. All right, so here's some more of these beautiful things, and I do love them. Merry Christmas. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this, but it was very time consuming. But these things are, you know, if you want to try it. Okay, I have done these sentiments now, and I thoroughly love them. I've got all sorts going on here with different fonts. I've changed up the fonts. I've changed up, adding little bits and pieces and all sorts here now. So I hope that you're going to love these as much as I do. So yeah, we've got all sorts of things over there. We've got another page as well, and some beautiful ones. So I hope you're going to love these as much as I do. And I've added little bits here and there as well. Yeah. And then obviously we have a mini version of that, because sometimes I want them smaller. So I like a combination of both. So I put in the smaller and the bigger. So we've got that. All right, so you can got lots of things to cut out. And then I learned from last year, I made this up to 24 last year. But this year, I have made this up to 31. So you've got the whole month. If you're doing December daily, you've got one for every single month. And I've hoped that it will fit your paper punch. So let's hope that it does. I've added some extra little ones along the bottom here for extras as well, with little messages in. So that's it. All right, so that makes up our 10-page ephemera kit. So you've got your ephemera, you've got your 12 pages of your add-on kit, and we have 25 pages of the journal kit here. Now, that's a big kit. Look at that. All right. So if you're wanting it in a printed format, then please make your way over to the shop. And I have a website shop, which is angelakerrdesigns.com. So www. The links are below the video. I always want to say envelope. Of course, I also have an Etsy shop as well, and that's also Angela Kerr Designs. All the links for that are below. I will have an introductory offer in my shops, so be sure to look out for that. You don't need a code or anything. It's pre-marked, so I have marked it down already as a percentage discount. So I will be putting that in the shop here. I am working on fabric, so have a look out for that. And I will have some other things coming out very soon too. So I'm not going to say too much. You'll have to keep tuned. But don't forget, on Friday, well, this whole week already, the A to Z of Christmas has started. You will see the details for that on Rach and Bella's channel, but also in my Facebook group. And I will be taking part on Friday. So I will share with you what I'm doing then. So yes, don't think I've forgotten about our other projects. Everything will be wrapped running, so you can see I've got my work cut out for me. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this. Leave your comments below. I'd love to know what you think. And I look forward to seeing you all very soon, as I said, on Friday. And yes, I know the next question is, Angela, are you making a mini journal? Yes, I'm making mini journals. So that will also happen, but not for about a week. All right, so I just had to get this one done first. Okay, everyone, thank you so much. That's enough of your time for today. Really appreciate you stopping on by. And as I said, I'll see you all very soon. Again, stay well, look after yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.